The dolly has a 3,300 pound weight capacity, so it's going to pick up most of your medium size and small OTR and ag tires and wheel assemblies. So today I can just show you real quick. This is the handle. This controls the dolly opening and closing. So with it in the open position, I can crank the dolly, and the hydraulic cylinder is going to press the dolly open. As the dolly opens, I'm going to be able to get around the wheel assembly while it's on the equipment, or if it's standing on the floor. So these are the tire rollers that allow the tire to hit instead of hitting the metal, and allows it to spin freely. You can adjust them up or down depending on the most appropriate height for the wheel assembly you're working with. Well, same thing. This is what the tire rests up against. To stabilize it, it can be loosened and moved up or down depending on where you need it. So once I've gone around my wheel assembly, it's real simple. I'm going to flip the handle back to the close direction, pump the handle, cylinder is going to close the assembly. The tighter it closes, the higher that the tire and wheel assembly are going to be lifted to get your height for lining your lug nuts or your wheel studs. You can roll this around the shop really easy. The crank handle on the side allows me to spin the wheel assembly, lining up my bolt holes, one-man operation. So it's super simple. I'm gonna spin this back around so you can see the handle. Crank the handle, it'll crank either direction. It's chain driven, very, very easy to use. Once it's in place, I'm gonna open my dolly back up and roll it out of the way. So thanks again for spending a few minutes with us and learning more about our unique wheel dolly that can be used in your shop to keep your team working more efficiently and, more importantly, even safer.